I am Dr. Jesse John, Assistant Professor, Department of Anatomy, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are discussing anatomy of large intestine, and we will discuss many topics under this anatomy. So first we are starting from the general features. The large intestine is about 1.5 meter long and extends from the cecum in the right iliac fossa to anus in perineum. The function of the large intestine are absorption of water from fluid content in it to help form the feces, storage, lubrication and expulsion of feces, synthesis of vitamin B complex by normal bacterial flora present in lumen, protection from invasion by microorganism by its mucoid secretion, which is rich in immunoglobulin A group of antibodies. And in this picture we can see the large intestine, and we can see different part of large intestine too, that is colored to different color. And here this is ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon, then rectum, anal canal and anus. And large intestine is divided into following four parts, that is cecum and appendix, colon and rectum, anal canal. Structure: from within outward, there are these layers that are mucosa, submucosa, muscle layer, serosa. Mucosa does not present transverse circular folds and villi. The surface epithelium is absorptive in nature and consists of columnar cells bearing microvilli. Intestinal glands are long and tubular and possess a large number of goblet cells. Submucosa is made up of loose areolar tissue and contain blood vessel, lymph vessel, and nerve plexus. Muscle layer consists of outer longitudinal and inner circular layer of smooth muscle. It is arranged into three thick longitudinal bands called tinea coli, the inner circular layer of smooth muscles. Tinea coli is thin as compared to the small intestine. Serosa cover the transverse colon and sigmoid colon, but the parts of ascending and descending colons are covered by tunica adventitia. Cardinal features of large intestine, because there are some structures present of large intestine and they give the characteristic appearance of the large intestine. These are the tinea coli, appendices, epiploicy, and circulations. Cecum is a large dilated blind sac at commencement of large intestine. It is situated in right iliac fossa above the lateral half of the inguinal ligament. It communicates superiorly with the ascending colon, medially at the ileocecal junction with ileum, and posterior-medially with appendix. And we can see here there are some types of cecum, and you can see here types of cecum and vermiform appendix develops from cecal belt arising from the caudal limb of the primitive intestinal lobe, and conical type, fetal type, these are 2%, and infantile type 3%. The cecum is quadrate in shape, and normal type that present in 80 to 90% cases. The right saccule is larger than the left, and the appendix is attached on the posterior medial aspect about 2 centimeter below the ileocecal junction. This is the structure that is ideal structure of cecum, and it presents 80 to 90% of population. Exaggerated type, the right saccule is immensely appendix and spread out distal to become continuous with the longitudinal muscle cord of the rectum. That percent, this type of the cecum is present 4 to 5% in population. Blood supply and lymphatic drainage. The cecum is supplied by the anterior and posterior cecal branches of the ileocolic artery, and that is the branch of superior mesenteric artery. The veins of the cecum follow the arteries and drains into the superior mesenteric vein, which finally drains into the portal system. The lymph vessel from the cecum drain into the ileocholic lymph nodes, which in turn drain into the superior mesenteric group of pre-aortic lymph nodes. Nerve supply. There are both type of nerve supply, sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve supply. Sympathetic derived from the T11 and L1 spinal segment, or parasympathetic nerve supply derived from the vagus nerve. And we can see here the blood supply of the cecum and appendix, and both are supplied from the same origin. And then we will discuss the later part in next video. Thank you.